Thank you, sir, once again for allowing us into your house.
Honor, my dear friend, honor.
Good morning. How's it going? You've done your early morning rituals, which I believe are meditating.
I am actually off for 3 big rallies now.
Okay.
My program was supposed to be made from the 25th,
Okay.
but they've actually preponed and they've asked me to go campaign in Punjab now.
Oh,
I finished my constituency yesterday. in
Yes,
fact.
yes.
You saw it, no?
Yes.
So now I have to actually take the blessing of the great Guru. That is my ritual. I don't leave this house
Okay.
before
Right.
bowing down to him. It is His grace.
Of course.
Everything that I did is His grace. My dear friend, 20 years of cricket,
All of it because of him.
20 years of cricket, a 4-time MP, wife and MLA, years of television, motivational talks. I don't know, how many things I have done, but I've enjoyed them all. It is His grace. Without His grace, Navjot Singh Sidhu is a zero. And zero is the hero of mathematics. You know that? एक के पीछे लगा दो तो कुछ नहीं है, तो 10 के आगे लगा दो तो 99 का फर्क डाल देता है.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत.
How important are these meetings for you every day?
Listen, the most important thing is that they trust me. And when someone trusts you, that is where God resides. Life is what happens when you're making other plans. So whatever happens is a plan, my dear friend.
You're not sure right now?
No, we are sure where we're going.
Okay.
And there are people who have come to meet me.
Okay.
So I will say hello to them and then leave for the place.
All
See?
right.
So those are things that you actually have to take into cognizance, no?
We do.
ਇੱਕ ਬੋਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਇਹ 64 ਨੰਬਰ ਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ
ਚੌਥਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਅੰਦਾ ਨਾਰਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਿੱਧੂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜਸਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੀ ਡਿੰਪਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ, ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ, ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ, ਜੋ हमसे टकराएगा, जो हमसे टकराएगा.
You haven't really attacked the Aam Aadmi Party as much as you have attacked the Akalis. Why is that?
I will do it when I talk.
But you've already spoken in 3 rallies that we've been here.
I have said what I had to say about Kejriwal. They haven't ruled Punjab.
Okay.
Punjab has been ruined by the rulers. Those who've actually been in power for the last 10 years. Right? So you have to say what you have to for what they have done in the last 10 years. They have no calendar. The Aam Aadmi Party has no calendar over here. They've done nothing. I've already said that I went to them. I went to them and I said, what is my role? They told me, you're out of this race before the race starts. You're out of the system.
What did you want is what everyone has asked again.
So I did not want anything. All I wanted was what was my role. So the moment I came to know that his intent was to keep me out of the system.
As a star campaigner only. Nothing else.
That's it.
ਬਾਦਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਭੱਜ ਬਾਦਲਾ ਭੱਜ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਜਨਤਾ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਜਨਤਾ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕੁਰਸੀ ਖਾਲੀ ਕਰ. ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਲੜੂੰਗਾ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਰਗਾਂ 'ਚ ਲਹੂ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਣਖੀ ਸੀ, ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੰਨਦਾਤਾ ਸੀ, ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਾ ਢਿੱਡ ਭਰਦਾ ਸੀ. ਅੱਜ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੰਨਦਾਤਾ ਭਿਖਾਰੀ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਖੜਾ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ. ਅੱਜ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਪੱਗ ਰੋਲ ਦਿੱਤੀ.
ਆਮ ਆਦਮੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਹਾਰਟ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਆਮ ਆਦਮੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ
I have to ask you about Mandeep Singh Manna, somebody who's worked very closely with you. I spoke to him just yesterday and you know what he said? He said that you were trying to do something, but there was an insecurity amongst the Badals. And therefore, the situation became very difficult for him because you were in Bombay.
My dear friend, listen to me.
Anji.
I said it when I came here. This is not an individual battle. People can say 250 things about me. I'm not bothered.
No, but
What I will say,
do you
no.
acknowledge that there's insecurity amongst the Badals for
Hang
you?
on. If there was no insecurity, why would they ask me to fight an election from Kurukshetra? Why would they get my guru over here and pit him against me? Why would they do it? Tell me.
You're talking about Arun Jaitley.
No, I'm talking about my guru.
Yeah.
You know, they told him कि तुसी sign करके चले जाना, certificate ले जाना.
Arun Jaitley.
Ask him.
Indian National Congress! Zindabad! Indian National Congress! Zindabad!
There are two possible reasons for the empty chairs that you see at the Navjot Sidhu rally in Amritsar. The first, it is a working day, a Monday. The second, and probably more important, that he is this time fighting for the vote of just the people of Amritsar East, the constituency, not the entire city of Amritsar. And if you ask the people around here, they're not at all concerned by these empty chairs. Their point is that it is Navjot Sidhu. He'll get the vote. He is a man who is loyal and who is clean, and therefore he will get enough votes to win.
ਬਾਦਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਬਾਉਂਡਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਪਾਰ
You are Navjot Singh Sidhu's brother-in-law's
brother-in-law.
Okay. Tell us, how is it that you became his brother-in-law's brother-in-law?
Well, Navjot played a very important part in that. My sister and his Noni's brother.
Okay,
He
who's
was the
Noni?
one.
Who's Noni?
That's Navjot's wife.
Okay, Noni, yes, okay.
So I'm just saying Noni because she's also Navjot.
Oh,
So
yes,
just
yes. Oh,
just to
okay,
avoid
okay.
the confusion, okay?
Oh my God.
So it was Navjot who played the thing, and he got the both of them together.
He played Cupid yourself.
Yes, absolutely.
It's time for the end of our journey as we have been following Navjot Singh Sidhu. We're approaching the end, and as we approach the end, it's time for a rapid fire search. T20 cricket, which you played very little of, as I understand.
I was very adaptable.
Adaptable.
And
Okay,
that was
okay.
Suited to
At
me.
least let us put you to the test and then tell
No
us.
problem, no
Okay.
problem.
The greatest political advisor, or rather advice, ever given to you?
The greatest political advice, when in doubt, walk straight, walk the path of truth,
Arun Jaitley.
and never compromise on moral values.
Okay.
Nobody will put you down.
Okay. The person who comes to your mind when I say in politics there are no permanent friends or enemies.
Laluji and Nitishji.
The one word that comes to your mind when I say the following: Sukhbir Badal,
Plunderers.
Prakash Badal,
Natha Singh and Prem Singh, one and the same thing.
oh my God, Captain Amrinder Singh,
Captain Saab, well, what will I say? He's our captain.
okay, Chief Minister,
The people decide the chief minister.
Bains Brothers and Pargat Singh,
Friends, brothers, in arms.
astrology,
A science.
demonetization,
Good intent, poorly planned.
Bhagwant Mann,
Younger brother.
Arvind Kejriwal,
भोली सूरत दिल के खोटे, नाम बड़े और दर्शन छोटे.
Prime Minister Modi. Okay, Donald Trump.
No comments.
No comments. Barack Obama.
Great man.
All right. The first thing you'll do.
A man who reveres Mahatma Gandhi has to be great.
Okay.
Who walks in his footsteps
Okay.
has to be great.
All right. The first thing you'll do for Amritsar if you get elected.
The first thing that I will do for Amritsar is remove the 25 feet garbage
Okay.
dump that is there.
And take it somewhere else.
People living over there.
Yeah.
Take it to a place where you can have a dump, but then grass over it.
Okay.
I mean, that is
Proper plant.
lethal. That is lethal.
Okay.
Lethal
Okay.
to life.
What will you tell Kapil Sharma if you win?
There's no permanent name and fame than the endeavor to give happiness to mankind.
Okay. Your favorite cricket commentator, apart from you, of course.
Sir Jeffrey Boycott.
Your favorite politician.
Nelson Mandela.
If you had a holiday today, you would.
If my auntie were a man, she would have been my uncle.
Your favorite Sidhuism. This one.
It's time to make hay while things are going haywire.
Okay. The Sidhuism you're coming up with if you win.
Huh?
If you win, the one that you're already planning to say. The Sidhuism.
I don't think there is a Sidhuism that I plan for.
Okay, just come.
Sidhuisms just happen.
Okay.
if you ask me what a Sidhuism is,
Yeah. Okay.
it's like a honeybee. It's got a very small body. It's got the honey. It's got the sting.
Ooh. Okay. The Sidhuism that you're coming up with, if you lose.
Positive anything is better than negative nothing.
So because this was your last public gathering, we want to let you go now. Go home, rest for the next day. Thank you so much for allowing us to be on the show.
There is no rest, my dear friend. The busy man has no time for tears.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. There you have it. Navjot Singh Sidhu.
Sidhu Sahab! Zindabad! Sidhu Sahab! Zindabad!